Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top best strategies for iOS 11, 12, and 13. Also the iOS 14, some of these do work on iOS 14. So the first tweet is called Fake GPS. It changes your iPhone location as you wish. So you can change your your GPS location for your iOS device. So I don't know why it's like this format. It's really weird. This week is called Ainsworth and the connecting experience you deserve. So gives you different styles, default, pencil, modern, and you can configure it to your liking. This is called Fly, Twitter Alert Animator, and basically with Fly, your Twitter notifications come to life. Twitter bird animation in your lock screen when the alert appears. You can select two different tweet sounds for the alert to know without pick up your phone that is a tweet and not another notification. This is called a one-hand wizard. Hoping for an update for iOS 14, but right now it's only for iOS 13. You can see one hand 2 for iOS 13. So it's one of the biggest issues we have all had with newer iPhones, large displays. It makes it like kind of smaller, so we can just use one hand. So if you're like a large iPhone, you see right there, you use one hand, just you can do everything with one hand. And this is called Rhino. It's basically an Instagram plus alternative. So you could download reels, download feed images and videos, view all users' profile images, determine the users following you, download images and videos in the inbox, view disappearing photos, videos for an unlimited duration. You have stories features, pro features. So yeah, really cool. So next is called Koi, colored force touch backgrounds. So colorize the force touch menu background based on the app icon colors. This week is called Aperio, and a beautiful app launcher for your lock screen. So bring the Stone app launcher to a place of your fresh notification, or you just swipe up to unlock. Then scroll through all your app pages just to get to the app you need. You simply press the app icon in Aperio, and your phone will be prompted to be unlocked. Bring you right to the app you clicked after you authenticate your phone. This is called Keyboard X. Brings iPhone X keyboard to all devices. This is called Parallels. This is called Translucency Parallels. Make iOS translucent. This is actually a theme called ClearCons. Color your icons dependent on your wallpaper. This is called Stop Crashing Please. And basically, for iOS, this fix isn't necessary for iOS 12.4 or older. It's only an issue on iOS 13. So if iOS 13, there's like a glitch, whatever. So where it crashes, your battery drains with your jailbreak, this is supposed to help fix that. This tweet is called Snapper 2, and one of my favorite tweets. Correct, iOS 12 up to 14, and basically lets you crop a like a picture. So I'm gonna show you. I had the tweet installed. Crop pictures like that, and you can just screenshot it, double tap it. You can move it around. You can press the home button and do whatever you want. Make it smaller, bigger. I didn't update it, but down here you're gonna have like an option where you actually can slide over to it, and it copies all the text on the screen for you. So it's really useful. Overall, amazing tweak, and it's just been updated. And now with the update, it adds QR for scanning. So now you can scan with QR. So really cool, guys. This tweak is honestly amazing. This is called Apps Manager. Tool wipe backup, restore app data for installed apps. This is called I Got Ya, and it allows you to take a picture of the thief's face. If you have front face camera, get the location where your phone is. So basically helps you protect your phone. The only problem is this tweet hasn't been updated since 2017. This is called Cylinder, and sets the home screen icon layouts or animations. This is called Snapchat Bitmoji for short look. It shows Snapchat users Bitmoji and short look when you receive a Snapchat notification. This is called Messenger Profile pictures for short look, and show messengers uses profile pictures and short look when you receive a message or notification. This tweak is called Bordy, and basically what this tweet does, this tool allows you to seamlessly sync your clipboard with your PC. You can sync text between PC and the iPhone, copy an image from the iPhone to PC. This tweet is called Color Switch. Customize the colors of the enable and disable keys. This is called Violet, sweet addition to your wallpaper. This video is called Dress Up Your Lock Screen. And the last tweet is called Animate My Badges. Animate your app badges, which iOS 13 and 14, so you can change the animation badges. So yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.